Hello, my name is Craig Cole. I'm here to talk about options. The first YouTube video I did, believe it or not, was over an hour long. I had to split it up into 5 different parts. So what I'm doing here is making new intros for those separated videos. I tried to split it up so each part stood on its own. Hopefully, if you view part 3, you don't have to view part 1 and 2 to understand what I'm talking about. Forgive me if I'm not looking directly at the camera. I'm reading from a script. A little nervous. Anyways, I'm here to talk about options, stock options. And this is just for learning purposes, and this is not solicitation to buy or sell anything. We are here to talk about beating Wall Street. Paper profit is nothing until you sell your stock. You can beat Wall Street by taking a long-term view, 5 to 10 years out. One of the richest men in the world has proven that. According to information I obtained on the internet, Warren Buffett is without a doubt the greatest investor in the world. He has made 20% on his money since 1960. His approach is 10, 20, even 30 to 50 years out. I'm talking about options on stocks and ETFs. We learned a long time ago about writing options or selling options. Both terms are correct. Most investors are intimidated by options because they feel they are too complicated and pose too much risk. What an option is a promissory note to do something in the future at a specific time and price. It gives you the right to purchase or sell a stock or ETF, but not the obligation to. Anytime that you purchase option or sell an option, you can buy it back or sell it in the open market at any time. In order to purchase an option, you pay a premium above the current stock's price. Our goal here is to make 20% or more on our money compounded yearly. Writing options gives you cash up front, and it really doesn't matter which direction the underlying stock goes. We set our exit price and forget about it. If you write a put option, that means you have the cash available to purchase the stock. And I'll explain this a little more. By writing a put option, you say that you want the stock for a certain price and willing to pay that price no matter how low the stock goes. This is no different than buying a stock outright in the open market. The difference is that you want a specific price. Example, if you wanted XYZ company stock and it's currently trading at $20 a share, you could buy it at the market price. I'm sorry, I'm stumbling. Or you can write a put option to say buy it at $17 a share a month from now. So if you wrote a put option, it would look like this: April 17th, XYZ, $17 a share. The amount of premium may vary, but let's say, for example, the premium was $1. one option equals 100 shares. So if you wrote that option, you would collect $100 cash, and the option expires in 1 month. The person that purchases the put option is doing one of two things: either protecting their portfolio from a downward move in the market, or speculating on the price of the stock to move down significantly in 1 month's time. So you receive $100 cash to wait and see if XYZ moves down to your price. If it goes down to $16 a share, the option buyer would exercise that option, and you would purchase the stock for $17 a share. Now remember, you got $1 up front, so that makes your buy price $16 a share. Sorry, I lost my place. Now let's look at if you bought the stock outright in the open market. You would have paid $20 a share, and currently you would have a paper loss of $4 a share. Because you waited and wrote an option to purchase the stock, you are currently even. And now you have the stock that you wanted at a lower price. What if that stock price went the other way? What if it went up? Then if the stock was still up at $17 a share on April 17th, then the option expires worthless and your money is freed up. What that means is your collateral to purchase the shares is freed up. So once that happens, you can write another put option and keep the $100 premium. That's a win-win. I hope you like these videos. Please leave a comment at our website, www.coltechinvestments.com. Tell me what you think. I hope it gave you some information you didn't have previously. Thank you.